Hello everyone, this is Jean, and I just finished my Ip2Young study with my study members on boys' room in KakaoTalk, and we took like a 20 minutes review of what we learned through the week, and then I picked up 10 sentences which have integral and key expressions that I think, and I share it with them, and I checked them and over the course of 20 minutes review time, and we learned a lot, and we talk about several things, and I explained a little bit of the key expressions, and I told that let's read aloud, and I'm gonna talk about we read aloud in English, and then I let them pronounce it in English while I'm talking in Korean. Yeah, and then we have a little bit of we had a little bit of chit chat time, and we talked about how to study English effectively or efficiently, so that we could maintain studying English. And we talk about the technological advancements when it comes to learning language. So I talked about that I'm using Cambly, that you already know that it provides a very good source of native tutors. So I could take a lesson from tutors in the United States, Canada, the UK, South America, New Zealand, Australia, those areas where native tutors are living currently. And then I talk about EBS Pandi app because it helps us to listen to Ip2Young 24/7 if you want, and then we don't have to wait until the real program broadcast the Ip2Young. If you pay like 4,900원 per month, it's very useful. And Ip2Young is quite cheap because it's not really expensive. It's just like how much is it? The book is 10,000won. So, and you are gonna have like 20 lessons per month. So if you divide 10,000won with 20 days, you will see how much it is per day. Probably 400won, right? 400원의 행복, right? And then I talked about Seipen. I didn't talk about the boys' room in Kakao chat. I think this is really great because we could not make it through Zoom call today, so I rather turn to voice room in KakaoTalk. And yeah, those are the things that we got helped by the technological advancements. And later that I was listening another lecture that I was supposed to do, and then I turned on Instagram to see how's it going. And then I was surprised to see the Grant Cardin was on live in his Instagram account. So I pressed the button, and he's still there. So I hope you enjoy if you find him right now. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go to bed because I'm very sleepy now. Very, very sleepy. And yeah, I hope you have a great day today. And I'm gonna talk about those Ip2Young study later on in detail. So see you soon. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great Parents' Day. Bye bye, everyone.